Hey folks, I'm Pete, and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 fabulous salad dressings. We're going to make 1 Greek salad dressing and 2 Caesars, a regular everyday Caesar, and 1 deluxe. And you're not going to believe how easy it is and how delicious they are. You never have to buy salad dressings again. So let's begin. So what you're going to need for the Greek salad is oregano, garlic, lemons, olive oil, a little bit of sugar, salt, pepper, and I like to use this herbamare mixture. It's a lovely mixture of spices. Now, with respect to the lemons, you want to use real lemons, none of this juice business. Squeeze them, you'll see it's going to be way better. Garlic, make sure and buy North American garlic or European garlic, not the Chinese garlic. And olive oil, make sure you use a quality olive oil, the best that you can afford, because it's going to taste delicious. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the juice from 1 lemon and I'm going to squeeze it into through a sieve, because I really don't want the pits in the salad dressing. Now I'm going to measure that out, and that's just short of 1/4 cup. So for every 1 portion of lemon juice, I want 3 portions of olive oil. So I'm going to fill this up to, that's 1/4, so I need 3/4, short of 3/4, about 1/2 cup of olive oil. Okay, so now I'm going to add the spices, so a little bit of salt, a little bit more of herbamare. I really like this mixture, it's lovely. A little bit of oregano. Of course, all of these are just to taste. Pepper, now you want a lot of pepper, it's a Greek dressing, so should have lots of pepper. There you go, and now garlic. As you can see, this one's got a little bit of a root in it, and it is nice garlic. You know, it's good garlic, but you know, sometimes it does get that root in there, and so you want to take that root out, because that root is bitter, and the rest of the garlic is fine. Make sure it's good quality garlic, maybe about, I don't know, 1/4 to 1/2 a clove. There you go. And now let's put a little bit of sugar, otherwise it's just too bitter. Of course, this is all to taste. That's about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And then we want to whip it up. The thing about the sugar too is the sugar really helps to emulsify it and mix the two, the oil and the vinegar. The oil and the lemon together. And that's really nicely emulsified now. I don't know if you can see that, but that's ready to go on a salad. Of course, if you don't need all this, I won't need all of this for 1 salad. I can put it in the fridge and it'll last at least for a week, no problem. I can actually use it on salad, I could use it on chicken, I could use it on a whole bunch of different things. So there's some romaine lettuce. Throw a couple nice dark olives in there. A little bit of red onion. Some tomatoes. I have these lovely little cherry tomatoes. Of course, some cucumbers chopped up. And you can't have Greek salad without feta cheese. So I'll crumble some feta in there. Put some salad dressing. Look how lovely that is, eh? Beautiful. And of course I want to dress it with a little bit more pepper, because it is a Greek salad with lots of pepper. And I could mix it up, but it looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into this. Now for the Caesar salad. The Caesar salad, you're going to need mayo. You're going to need a little bit of Dijon mustard, garlic, really nice olive oil, salt, pepper. I like this herbamare mixture, it's excellent. I use a little bit of Frank's Hot just to give it a touch of warmth, some sugar, and of course some Parmesan cheese. We're going to dress it with croutons and bacon bits as well, but we'll show you that when we get to that. So let's begin. So here's how you make the Caesar. The first thing is you put some garlic. I like about 1/2 clove. I really don't think it makes that much difference if you put a lot more. And then some mayonnaise, a good couple heaping teaspoons. About a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a little bit of vinegar, so about a 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, some nice olive oil, some lovely olive oil, so I would say about 1/4 cup of olive oil, maybe 1/8 of a cup. I like to give it a little bit of a warmth, so I'm just going to put a dash of Frank's hot sauce in there, a little bit of salt, herbamare, which is a mixture I really like to use. It's about, I don't know, 1/4 teaspoon, no, 1/8 of a teaspoon of that. Definitely pepper. You want lots of pepper in a Caesar salad, so you want about 1/4 to a half teaspoon. And you want some sugar. That's a half teaspoon of sugar. And now let's mix it up. You can either put the Parmesan in the dressing or you can put it on the salad or a bit of both. And let's give that a try and see if that's any better. Wow, that is amazing. Now, for the Deluxe Caesar, what we're going to do is we're going to cut back a little bit on the mayo and the olive oil, and we're going to whip up some cream, 35% whipping cream. We're going to whip it up and fold it in, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. You'll see. So, for the Super Deluxe Caesar salad dressing, I'm going to put about a quarter cup of whipped cream. That's 35% whipped cream in a bowl, and I'm going to whip it up. For me, there's always something amazing about whipping up whipped cream. I love doing it by hand. Okay, there you go. That's really good. And now we'll just fold in our Caesar salad dressing to make something absolutely out of this world. So there you go. Now I'm going to fold this in all the way around, and your guests are going to have a Caesar salad and they're going to go, "Are you kidding me? Where did you get that? That is absolutely heavenly." So let's dress our salad. I have romaine lettuce. I'm going to put the Deluxe Caesar salad dressing on there. Of course, I'm going to put some extra Parmesan. I like putting extra. Please, if you don't buy Parmesan out of a fridge or freezer, you're not buying the right Parmesan. And some bacon. I fry up some bacon, and so now I have some bacon bits. Let's crumble it in. I fry it up really good. And now my croutons. Just a note on the croutons. I like to fry my croutons. I use any old bread that I have hanging around, buns, whatever, chop it up. Put either butter or oil and fry it up. A note on it though is don't put garlic in there. It gets bitter because it gets burned. I just use salt and pepper. There's plenty of garlic in the dressing. Can't beat extra pepper. Amazing Caesar salad. There you go. 2 Caesars and a Greek. Amazing salads. They're delicious. You're never going to buy a salad dressing again. I have these salads. I have tons of dressing left over for the week, and I have to hurry up because the crew's ready to jump in. Enjoy it.